Welcome to our video about Raspberry Pi. So, what exactly is Raspberry Pi? Raspberry Pi is a small, affordable, single-board computer that was created by the Raspberry Pi Foundation. Despite its compact size, it's packed with features that make it incredibly versatile. There have been several models of Raspberry Pi released over the years, starting from the original Raspberry Pi 1, which was released in February 2012. Since then, the Raspberry Pi lineup has expanded, with each new model offering improved performance and capabilities. These are all Pi models from Pi 1 to the latest Pi 5. So, what can you do with a Raspberry Pi? The possibilities are virtually endless. You can use it for educational purposes, such as learning to code or experimenting with electronics. You can also use it to build your own projects, such as media centers, game consoles, or even home automation systems. Raspberry Pi is also widely used in industry and by hobbyists alike. Its low cost and small form factor make it ideal for embedded systems, IoT projects, and prototyping. In summary, Raspberry Pi is a powerful yet affordable computer that can be used for a wide range of projects and applications. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, Raspberry Pi offers endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. Thanks for watching this introduction to Raspberry Pi. We hope you found it helpful in understanding what Raspberry Pi is and how it can be used. Stay tuned for more tutorials and projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Happy tinkering!